Good morning, everybody. Action 5 here. Hey, we're going to get out here on a property on Lewisberry Road in northern Dover, Pennsylvania, in York County, Pennsylvania, and we're going to see what we can find today. So remember, subscribe to Action 5 with a capital A, CTION, the number 5, and no spaces. Today's equipment will be the AT Pro, my little shovel I need, my gloves, my headphones. And as you can see, I've got a new vest from Silver Steve, and we're going to give this a shot along with my magnifier, my brushes, and everything else I need. So let's go see what we find, and hopefully the next time you see me, we'll have found something up here. We're in the woods. We're in the middle of nowhere. So you just never know what we might find and what we may not find. So catch you later. Bye. All right, well, I came down, I hiked down into the stream, and when you cross the stream, you will come into areas where they used to lumber cut here decades ago. So I'm just going to take a walk over here for a minute. I haven't seen it. The water's probably still a wee bit too high, but with the right boots on, I could have crossed. I might still consider it. All right. Whew. I need a few more rocks here. Obviously, before I can cross over. All right, catch you later as well as figure out what to do next. Well, I did find a place to cross, and I'm not too happy about it. Obviously, at 68 years of age, I'm not whatever them brothers were, the guys that Wall brothers or whatever they were that did the High Wire Act. So we'll see whether I go across this tree or not, and if not, I don't know. Guess we won't get up in there today. All right, see you later. Bye. All right. Do I walk the trail? I really don't think so. As much as I want to. So, I'm at an impasse right now, and I'll try to figure out how to get across it if I can. See ya. I've come down here in the stream a little bit. Check that log out. That looks like a heck of a lot easier getting across than the other one. So let's try. You see in a minute. Okay, well, I figured out where the dead tree is down in there to cross over. I think it's up here a little bit. Yeah, right in front of me. And so I've got to get through what we've got here. So if I can wiggly wag over here, and I'll be all right, I think. In the meantime, let's give it a try. Yep, that's the tree I want. I've just got to come over here a little bit further. Wow. That wants to come off. Probably some of the smartest things I've never done. It's got to be an easier way for a guy my age. And I think I see it. I just need to back up here a little bit. The whole tree doesn't break. All right. Whew, okay, that's a little bit easier getting through, I think. Oh, son of a gun. Okay, that worked. Rocks down through here. Lord only knows who would want to even come down this way. But we're making it. Hopefully we'll make it across. I'd hate to think we come all the way down here and not good. Good thing, as far as I can see, there's no bark on this tree. So that should get me through. All right, I'm gonna take a minute and check this over before I attempt to maybe cross this. See ya. Okay, I think I figured out what I'm gonna do here. I hope. So, first thing, obviously, I gotta get up. Whew, this is crazy. Don't do this at home, folks. Don't do this at home. Wow. Whew, okay. Well, I'm glad this is a water machine. Well, let's see how we do. All right, this is what I'm looking at. Whew. All right. Just use the shovel. Make sure you're safe going across. Well, I hope I find at least a penny. Okay. All right, guys. Okay. Hey, made it. You know, if you make it one way, you should be able to make it the other. All right? Okay. Catch y'all later. Bye. All right. As we work our way and get where we're going, it just seems like a day of climbing trees. So oh, lordy, lordy. Okay. It's one of them days of digging. Get where you're going, I hope. Okay, that's it. See ya.